Fountain Trace is home to spacious lots and awe-inspiring estate homes, all centered around a spectacular fountained pond, just minutes from Bowling Green's dining, shopping, and restaurants, and I-65. Country living with all the amenities of the hustle and bustle of the big city. Today I'm going to give you a tour of this exceptional home here in Fountain Trace. From the moment you pull up the drive, the stunning views of the fountain and the curb appeal capture your attention. And then stepping inside, the exceptional details and the floor plan make you feel right at home. The kitchen and den is an entertainer's dream, and everywhere you look in this home, you'll find upgrades. This backyard is a park-like vibe. From morning coffee to wine under the stars, it's an entertainer's dream.